Is your Roborock Dyad Pro giving you the ultimate silent treatment? You've finished the floors, placed it on the dock for a well-earned charge, but instead of that satisfying chime, you get absolutely nothing. No lights, no charging icons, just a very sleek, very expensive paperweight. So, what's the deal? Our diagnostic team here at RoboCare has cracked the case. The technical culprit is almost always a faulty battery. Think of it like a heart that refuses to beat. No matter how much caffeine you give it through the charging cable, the machine simply can't wake up. Ignoring a dead battery isn't just a bummer for your chores. Leaving it in this state can occasionally lead to internal circuit issues. Plus, let's be honest, your manual mop is in the closet laughing at you right now. But don't toss your Dyad Pro in the bin just yet. RoboCare has the solution to bring your cleaning companion back to life. At RoboCare, our expert technicians possess specialized knowledge of the Dyad Pro's complex power architecture. We've seen this exact no-response issue dozens of times and know precisely how to handle it. Instead of guessing, we use advanced battery load testers and proprietary diagnostic tools to pinpoint the failure. While a dead screen looks intimidating, our diagnostic result for this specific behavior is almost always a faulty battery. Our solution is surgical. We carefully disassemble the unit, remove the failed power cell, and replace it with a genuine component. We don't just swap parts, we calibrate the charging system to ensure your vacuum stays powered for years to come. But don't just take our word for it. Let's see the after. Boom, back to life. After our professional repair, this Roborock is back to its floor-scrubbing glory, performing exactly like the day you unboxed it. Don't toss it, fix it. Contact RoboCare today for expert Dyson service. Visit our website or call us to book your repair.